Hello everyone, this is Cynthia, She's So Blessed. Welcome back to my channel. So how's everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing fine. So guys, if you want to know what I'm up to right longer now with all of these things on my coffee table, then keep on watching. Okay. These are the things that you will need to do my DIY that I just finished. You will need some scissors, some ornaments, your choice of colors, some paint, a glue gun, and some glue sticks. And you will need any type of cardboard, a box or anything would do, and a paintbrush. So guys, I'm going to show you what I have done. I had did a wreath tonight, and I did not put it on camera because I never did one before, and I've been seeing it all over YouTube, so I say, well, let me give it a try. So guys, I'm going to share with you my wreath. Here she is, guys. Here's my little wreath for my door. So guys, I basically just cut out a face, and I cut out a big circle to fit that wreath. And I added some ornaments, glued them onto my cardboard. My granddaughter had drawn her eyes and her eyebrows, and I did the rest. And that's it, guys. This is my wreath, my African wreath. And I went ahead and also I used some pipe cleaner to attach the cardboard onto the box. And I tied some fabric that I had in my closet onto her hair. So guys, that's it for my video tonight. So I hope everyone is doing great. Looking forward for Thanksgiving. I hope everyone have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. So guys, until the next video, I will see you, yes you, and you, in the next video. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up. And also guys, I wanted to know, do you think I should place the bow on top of her head or no? Just leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So everyone have a blessed night. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.